First things first, so we had announced a giveaway of a Jordan 1 KO in my Off-White Chicago unboxing video, but unfortunately that winner did not claim his prize and the time is up. So probably he did not watch the following videos and he did not realize that he actually won it. But either ways, since the time is up now, we're not going to wait anymore, and today we will be picking up the next winner for that Jordan 1 KOs. So please be alert and please make sure to watch all the videos to be updated about things like this in the future as well. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be taking a look at the top 5 Air Jordan 1 High colorways in my opinion that are under the budget of rupees 25,000. So what happens usually is that a lot of new people come onto the channel and then the first thing they want to know is that the kind of sneakers or Jordans specifically that they can buy in under various budgets. And up till now we've only been covering the regular sneakers under 5k and 10k, but I realized that a lot of you guys want to know about Jordans under specific brackets, since we all know they're obviously sold out, so you have to only consider them at resale pricing, and which is why I'm making this video today. Also, if you think this was helpful, then do let me know in the comments below if you want me to cover more such ranges, like in the sense we could do Jordans under 50,000, Jordans under 1 lakh. Everyone has different budgets, so I'm here to talk about everything for everyone. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. And like I said, once again, before we get started with the top 5, please keep in mind we are considering only the resale price, because obviously all these Jordans are sold out and you cannot get them at retail anymore. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into it. So here are all the sneakers that we have today. You can see 4 boxes here because I do not have the 5th one. Unfortunately, I could not arrange that one, but either ways we have at least 4 of them. So I'm going to be unboxing each of them very quickly and show you what they are and what rank do they stand at in my opinion. So at number 5 we have this beautiful looking Jordan 1 High in the smoke grey colorway. Now these are pretty much inspired by the Union LA Jordans that we had seen I think 2 years ago that had dropped, and those are selling for extremely exorbitant prices. And I don't know why, but somehow these are still under or around rupees 25,000. So these come in at number 5 for me because, like I said, it's inspired by Union LA, and those who cannot really find sense in spending so much money on those sneakers, then you could definitely go in for these, as they are pretty clean, and yeah, you could literally pair them with anything that you want to wear. Moving on to the next one, at number 4 I'm going to put this one right here. So these are the Jordan 1 High Royal Toes. Now these also released some time back and were pretty much doing very well because obviously the blue color on the Jordan looks really nice. Now these are selling for a tad bit higher at about 26 or 27,000, but you could definitely find a good deal and probably negotiate and get it under 25,000 rupees. So yeah, I have included them in this. So these come in at number 4 for me. Let's move on to the next one. So at number 3, I'm going to put the Jordan 1 Volt Gold. Now why I put this at number 3 is because a lot of you guys really like this sneaker or like this colorway a lot. I personally don't really like it as much. Honestly, in my opinion, for me it would be at number 5. But just because by popular demand people like it a lot, so I'm putting it at number 3. And yes, you can easily get them for around 20,000, not even 25,000. So make sure to consider these if you're on a budget and you're looking to start with some Air Jordan 1 Highs. Now before we get into the top 2 sneakers, talking about Air Jordan 1 High Volt Gold, now we had put these sneaker up on Metro I think a couple of days back, and I had also shared on my video that for the first time we are doing it at 499 for you guys. So yeah, point is that Metro is going really well. A lot of guys have been winning a lot of sneakers. In the past 2 days we gave away a pair of Hyper Royals, a pair of Court Purple 3.0s, and for those who are still wondering what Metro is, let me quickly repeat it once again. Metro is a subscription based service that I have started in association with Marketplace by Main Street. Then what you have to do over there is you have to buy subscriptions at certain times when we open up for a certain giveaway. Now what we basically do in Metro is that we open subscriptions for a limited time. Every time that we are giving away a sneaker, it's sort of a raffle. But unlike other raffles, you don't really waste your money in this, because along with the entry to that particular raffle or giveaway, you also get a subscription for a month, which includes steals that we drop maybe minimum once in a week. and you can buy some of those things being an exclusive member. And apart from that, if you do not buy anything or you do not win any raffle or giveaway, however you want to call it, then you could even use that subscription money as store credit at Marketplace by Main Street. Now there was a lot of confusion in this, so I'll just clear it for once. You can redeem up to rupees 2000, say if the membership is 999 for a particular giveaway and you have bought 2 slots in that giveaway. To increase your chances, your membership is going to last for only 30 days, no matter even if you've bought 2 slots, because the last slot that you buy is what is considered as the starting point of your 30 days of subscription. Now, moment you do not lose anything or you do not buy anything from Steels, you could use this 2000 rupees to buy anything from Marketplace by Main Street store. And there's a small condition in that: you have to buy something for a minimum of 15,000 rupees, and that is where you can use your 2000 rupees credit. Now, what if you did not buy 2 slots and you bought only 1 slot? Either ways, the condition is up to 2000 rupees on a single purchase of minimum 15,000 rupees. I hope that is pretty much clear. If you want to know any more things about the Metro, then you will find the link in description box below, and all the details are also on the Marketplace Main Street website, so don't forget to check that out. Now moving on to the next top 2 sneakers in today's list. At number 2, I'm going to put the... Unfortunately, I don't have that sneaker right now because I couldn't really arrange it. It's a recent release. That is the Shadow 2.0s. Now, Shadow 1.0s were really nice. I had it myself too, and it was a daily beater for me for quite some time. And Shadow 2.0 is just sort of a reverse color blocking compared to the 1.0s, and are currently reselling for anything around 20,000 rupees, which is very reasonable for that sneaker. So it is the right time to buy them for personal use, or if you want to keep them for some time, you could keep it. You know that all the Jordan 1s eventually go higher, but I would only suggest you to consider these top 5 sneakers that I have suggested for personal use, and do not think from the investment point of view, because everything is not to make money. There are some things that you should keep and buy it for yourself. So yeah, Shadow 2.0s at number 2. And now moving on to the number 1 sneaker. You're going to be surprised by this, but yes, it is my number 1 sneaker. So let's quickly have a look at that one. So these are the Air Jordan 1 Midnight Navy that was a part of the Co JP pack. The other colorway was the silver colorway. I like that one too, but for me the Midnight Navy is a really nice looking sneaker, especially with the silver swoosh and the navy materials on the upper. I think it just goes really well and it's very classy. It is kind of neutral and you could really wear it with anything you want. So this is the reason why I have put them at number 1. And also talking about the pricing, these are going dirt cheap right now, and I definitely feel they're going to be way more expensive in a couple of months. So that is the reason these come in at number 1 for me. So those were my top 5 picks for the Jordan 1 highs under the price range of 25,000 rupees. Now before we end this video, let's quickly go ahead and pick a winner for the Jordan 1 KOs that you all are so excited for. Alright, so congratulations on winning a pair of brand new Jordan 1 KOs. Please do not forget to DM me. You have 24 hours. I know I say that every time, but I eventually give 3 to 4 days time. Basically, I give time till my next video is up to the winner. But either ways, if you're watching this and you are the lucky winner, then do not forget to DM me immediately, and I will then source the pair in your size and send it across to you. So congratulations once again, and for the rest of you who are watching till here, thank you very much for tuning in once again. And please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will be back with another video on Tuesday.